help us get out of here, Ned, so we can give them what they want and get rid of them.
Come on, Ned. Come on, you can do it.
You can do it, Ned.
Push them.
Hurry up. Just one more line of code. Done.
Wait, what just happened? No, shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down now.
You're awesome, Ned.
Shut it down. Shut it down now!
But why does he think he has the brains? He doesn't even seem like he has any language skills.
Sog attack?
DOS attack! DOS attack! This is what we used to do back in junior high. We used to overload the servers to bring them down. We hit this thing together, we'll sort it out.
Yes! Are you nuts? Let the vampires do it. They're so goddamn immortal.
Oh, yeah, just like a human. Put it all on the undead. Pussies!
You're a pussy bloodsucker!
Everybody, what is it gonna take for you idiots to stop fighting and work together? Mr. Zimmerman, your daughter, she's a vampire, right? And you love her? Yeah, you do. How could you not? Mrs. Franklin, your son is a zombie. We've always known. Not a real doctor. Let's quit pretending that he is. All the aliens want are the riblets. Now, I don't know about you. I don't want to die in a pal way. If we just work together and we can tear this wall down, we will get out of here, we'll convince Rick to open up the gates, and we'll save our shitty town. Now, what do you say?
USA! USA! USA!
USA! USA! USA! USA!
All right. Is everyone ready? 3, 2, fucking just run!